How to block calendar in Outlook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can block calendar in Outlook. Now blocking the calendar or the in Outlook in the application or the web is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Microsoft Outlook and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're on app, what you want to do is there at the bottom, you can see at the bottom right here you'll find new email option, and at the bottom you can see their email, calendar, feed, apps option. You want to head into calendar option and tap on accept all, and you'll be able to see the calendar option here. At the bottom right you can see the plus icon, and you can see their arrow icon. You want to simply tap on that particular arrow that is facing upwards, and then you can see new event option there. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it you can set up a new event. You can set it whatever you like, just title and sets. And if you want to block calendar for all day, you can simply tap on all day event here, and then you can start the set date, the dates that you want to block the calendar. Suppose today is Wednesday 6th, then you want to set it, you want it to end, or you want it to block the calendar till 31st, then select it. And then at the bottom you can see show as option. You want to tap on it, and you can select the busy option, and you can go ahead now and go ahead and save this, and you'll be able to block it. So this way you can block calendar in Outlook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.